In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have a cutout effect in Canva. If you've ever wanted your subject to pop by removing everything around it, this is exactly what we'll do. The cutout effect simply means isolating the main subject of a photo so it appears cleanly separated from the background. It's perfect for thumbnails, product images, social media posts, or any design where you want a crisp, professional look without distractions. Start by opening your existing project in Canva so you're working right where your design lives. Once your project is open, click the image you want to cut out. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. This is important because the next option only appears when the image is actively selected. With the image highlighted, look for the Remove Background option. When you click it, Canva analyzes the photo and automatically removes everything except the main subject. Give it a moment to process. When it's done, you'll see your subject cleanly isolated with the background gone. That's the core of the cutout effect. Your subject stands alone, ready to be placed over any color, texture, or layout you've already set up in your project. A few quick tips to get the cleanest result. Images with clear contrast between the subject and the background tend to cut out more accurately. Good lighting and sharp edges also help the tool identify what to keep. If the option isn't visible, double check that the photo is selected. If it still doesn't appear, make sure you're in the editor and not on a preview screen. And keep in mind that some advanced features may require an upgraded plan. After the background is removed, take a moment to look at the edges. Hair, fur, or fine details can be tricky in any editor. If you spot minor imperfections, you can fine-tune within the same panel where you remove the background. Subtle adjustments there can help smooth edges or bring back small parts of the subject. And remember, you can always use undo if you want to revert and try again. That's it. By opening your project, selecting your image, and using Remove Background, you've created a clean cutout that instantly elevates your design. It's quick, it's effective, and it keeps your focus exactly where you want it, on the subject. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your new cutout effect in Canva.